Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. I'll be your narrator for the evening, and welcome to this brand new story of Spiritfarer. Out of my limited understanding about this particular story is that it's about a tale of a new Spiritfarer who goes across the land of a mysterious world in search of lost spirits, helping them come to terms with their last wishes and helping them move on. With that said, I know almost nothing about it, but that's what makes it so exciting. So come. Let's begin a new game. Oh, they have co-op. I wonder if I can get some of my friends in on this. Actually, that's a terrible idea.
Finally. I thought for a second you would never wake up, little one. How ironic that would have been, would it not? I'm Carl. The Spiritfarer. Well, that is what I have been until your arrival. I cannot say that I'm sad to leave, but I still had a few things left to do here. I'm afraid you will have to pick things up where I left them. It is, after all, my very last day. And you are? Stella. Welcome, Stella. I see you have brought a friend here with you. What's his name? Daffodil. I see. You two will share the burden then. And take it over from me. As I said, in a few minutes, I will be gone from this world. And that is why you are here. You will be the new Spiritfarer. Listen. Your task here will be far from easy, but simple nonetheless. Go and fetch the stray spirits stranded on the islands, and when you're ready, bring them back here. Dying souls can't pass away on their own. You will have to help them fulfill their last requests and be at their service until their last breath. The big round bridge over there is the Everdoor. The Alpha where everything starts, the Omega where everything ends. This is where all quests get completed and where existence meets its threshold. There is no task more important than this one. Never forget this, Stella. Here, there is something I need to give you. Now, be really careful with it. It is the Everlight, the symbol of your status here, and the only tool you will ever need. Wait, what are you?
Oh, highly inappropriate. What's that cat doing in there? Stole his other ball. But
Well, that settles it. The Everlight will help you throughout your travels. It will be the light that shines in the darkness, the last remaining hope of the departed.
We get a fancy magic belt buckle.
Listen.
Hope is a flame, the light that never falters, the beacon of eternity. It is heavy and inconvenient, but there is no greater duty than this one. The fate of lost souls rests on your shoulders. Look, I was overwhelmed too at first. Just trying to keep your focus. Take it one step at a time. You will soon get used to this place, accustomed to these moments. You are the new Spiritfarers after all.
Just one thing.
Oh, one last thing. Once I am gone, you will have to find a ship of your own. Mine will not be suited for you, and it will fade away once I am gone. You might find one not too far from here, if you keep rowing in the right direction for some time. Probably. It's time. Here I go.
Bye-bye.
So long, Stella, and good luck. You will need it.
So, beginning of the story, Father Death, or Charon the Spiritfarer, from Greek mythology, I believe, left a child who he did not know previously to inherit his power and take on his responsibilities as Spiritfarer. And my boat sank. Well, this is fun. Getting a very Lost Boys, like Peter Pan-like vibe. Spacebar to jump, hold space to jump higher. Hold W while jumping to climb through platforms. S to drop down. It looks a little bit like my avatar. It's a popular design. Stella. It really is you. Stand up straight and let me look at you. You look good. And Daffodil is here too, I see. We'll have to find a lint roller then. It might not be that obvious after all. It's me, Gwen. Good thing you found me. But if you're here, that means... Oh, Stella died? Oh. You are the new Spiritfarer. You are the one replacing Charon. I was trying to get rid of him and only ended up here by accident. I've been stuck on this disgusting island for about a week, living off sardines and cigarettes. Funny how I used to be the one getting you out of trouble before. I can see you have an Everlight now. How do you know about the Everlight? Of course. See that boat over there? That's the one. It's obviously slightly shabby, but let's commandeer it. I'll wager it'll work once you're, since you're the Spiritfarer. Okay, meet me on the deck over there. I'll explain it all. The infinite knowledge and wisdom of the tutorial NPC never fails. Okay, here goes. I hope my fur coat won't be too damaged. I may have to put an epilepsy warning in for that. I'm not the one to jump for joy, but this feels good. Much better than anticipated. So, The way I see it, this boat is yours now. Don't you think? Good. And as you are the Spiritfarer, welcoming stray spirits is your new job. And once aboard, they will assume their true forms. Well, it's my theory anyway. Why are you still looking at me like that? You need to come and give me a hug. Huh. Food, hug. Much better. Come with me now. Let's take a look at this chaos. This movement feels really good. What a mess. Reminds me of Aunt Petunia's old yard. A beautiful, unorganized testament to someone's laziness. Or a vital impossibility to get rid of anything. At any rate, we should do something about this. My dust allergies will be back. Let me think. There's only one way to clean this up. You have to meet Albert. He's your local shipwright. And his jokes are garbage. But he's the only one who can fix up your boat. We should head to Albert's shipyard. You must be wondering how to make this ship move. It's really easy, actually. There, let me give you this key I found on the island. It will unlock the cabin in the back. You should find a map projector in there. How do I know all of this? Well, I was planning an escape, remember? And you know me. I plan things meticulously. Very meticulously. Go, open up the cabin, Stella. The map projector should be simple enough to use. And you just have to go to Albert's shipyard. Ooh, what does this button do? It was loud. A little bed, like 5 alarm clocks. Aha. Stella. As I understand it, the ship is powered by your Everlight. That's how it cruises the ocean and reveals the stray spirits. It also explains why I couldn't do anything by myself. You must admit, it's quite fascinating. Look, I know you must feel overwhelmed. Charon, the Everdor, the Spiritfarers, this place, this boat, me being here. It's a lot. You must be wondering what's going on. Truth be told, I don't really know either. But I'm here for you. I'll do my best to help you, try to make sense of it all. As I said earlier, I wanted to leave myself, but somehow I just couldn't. Now that I see you, I think I know why. I'll give you some space. For now, don't hesitate to explore the ship. You can even give that fishing rod a try. This world is your oyster. Seagulls, bell. Oh, a fishing rod minigame. Yeah, fishing minigames always make games better. Just think, do you know a perfect 10 out of 10 game that doesn't have a fishing minigame in it? I'll wait. I got an old shoe. I got another old shoe. I got a herring. Oh, it appears we're here. Nope. Oh, I can't. I didn't mean to do that. Well, I guess I'm stuck here until I do. Nope, I don't want to keep fishing. Help. Okay, it's the escape one. Here we are. Albert's shipyard discovered. Yee! I'm so excited. Here we are. Now head down to Albert's shipyard and upgrade your blueprint station. It's the only way to clear this clutter. I'm curious about what it's all made of. Considering the smell, I'd say at least 7 different types of dirt and dust. Yee! You look like a hardy individual. Over here. Welcome to my shipyard, young traveler. Where my prices are a customer's best friend. I'm Albert. Been here since been in the business of shipbuilding for ages. Should I assume you are the new Spiritfarer? Well, of course you are. Anyway, you must you've been able to start this ship and bring it here after all. Gwen was right to point you this direction to my humble enterprise. Let me see what you have there. Nice little dinghy. Funny how it looks exactly like the one I built some time ago and stored it on my old shipyard. Very peculiar. See, Charon was unhappy about his gloomy old dank ark. Actually, he was always complaining about everything. But the customer's always right, so I built him a new, better one. Of course, he would never abandon his previous boat. Old habits die hard. But don't worry, you can keep this one. Let's call this a loan. And let me tell you something. You know we always joke about the construction here. Don't worry. We're still working on it. Rah, 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 rah. Is that a joke? Did I read that line wrong? I probably read that line wrong. Anyway, with a little bit of love, this bird will be resplendent again. The first thing you the first thing you'll need is a proper blueprint table. God, I'm tired. Since it's your lucky day, and I'm feeling generous, I'll offer it to you. Free of charge. Mind you, it's just a bit bare bones in terms of functionality. The subsequent upgrades will come at such a small price, you'll want to buy them almost immediately. Simply direct me to upgrade the ship. I think I've been maxing out my audio this entire time. I'll probably have to fix that in post. So just have to go over to him and upgrade. There we go. The Intrepid Otter. Exploring Krill, Adventurous Mandy, Dauntless Dolphin, Walrus Marvel. You'll be able to build and edit your buildings on your boat. What a treat! If you don't really want to upgrade your boat size and in pleasure, I'm your guy. If you really want to upgrade your boat in size and in pleasure, I'm your guy. That's a weird sentence for me. Come back to me when you feel your boat is getting too crowded. Cheers! Finally. Good. Albert gave it to you for free, and he said he'd loan the ship to you? Ominous. I don't know what he has in mind, but it doesn't sound reassuring. Anyway, let's focus on the task at hand for now. Clean up this deck. You can go to your new blueprint table above your cabin and select the move option. In it, you'll be able to remove buildings and get back resources. Go for it. I'll wait here. Oh, the table on top of. Get it button. Oh, and salvage. Alrighty. Wonderful. You did a wonderful job, Stella. And the good news is that you have enough resources to add a guest house to your ship. A necessary amenity. Newly welcome spirits such as myself will have a temporary place to relax and sleep. Well, sleep, not really. I can tell you for sure that no one will be thrilled to spend more than one night in there. But it means sleeping on the deck. And the stars are pretty, but wood is stiff and humidity is hard to tolerate. I'll leave it to you. Have fun. Yeah, thank you. Alright. Build. No, build. Oh, there we go. Guest house. I'll probably want it to be as far away from me as possible, so I don't hear them complaining. Can only build one. Very nice. This guest house is very pretty. It has your touch. Nice work, as usual. Now, at last I have a place to sit down and enjoy the view. Oh, wait. What's going on? Something else is happening. Ah, I should have expected this. I'm actually hungry. Very hungry. You know how terrible a cook I am. I remember you being absolutely fantastic at it. And you might have to fish a few, and you might have fished a few fishes already. Trouble is, I can't really eat an entire raw fish. I could try for sure, but I'll probably choke on the fish bone and never survive. That's not how you want me to go, as absurd as this sounds. So, you should keep using the blueprint table of yours and build a kitchen aboard. I'm pretty sure I've seen the plans for it in there. As well as the necessary resources. Damn. You require bright jelly. And there's only one way to get some. Look, I should have told you when I first met you here. Something scares the hell out of me. A dark presence, and even I cower from it. A void that swallows all, light included. It can take many forms, and for me, it's always jellyfish. Yes, I'm fully aware of the irony. Irony. The bright jelly you will need for the kitchen. Well, only these jellyfish can provide it to you. So there's only one. So there's no other option. I have to face my fears. But you're here. With you, I can do it. They'll probably appear as a dark patch of pure fear on your map, so you can't miss it. Go. I'll take some time to prepare myself. It's on the map. Oh. Is that it? Apparently it is. Perhaps a hug? I'm fine, thank you. Does your mood? There's another herring. So I am liking the story quite a bit so far. The aesthetic of this world is incredibly pleasing. The art style is very smooth, and the gameplay and movement feel outstanding. The characters are fairly charming, and I can see myself having tons of fun voicing them. That said, it still is only the beginning. I wonder what future lies ahead. Ooh, boy. Damn. Here they come. Remember, set your eyes on the ones with bright jelly. They should be visible enough. That said, pop as many as you can. You'll get glimpses anyway. I'll wait for you inside. It's just too hard for me to stay out here. Okay, go ahead. I believe in you. Wait, what am I doing? What am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, just run into them. Oh boy, I can't get all of them. Oh, this is really intrepid. I can't stay on the roof. Oh no. This music's really kicking it up. Oh. Alrighty. That one can get away. Alright. Is that all of them? Fantastic. Okay. I'm really impressed. You rocked out there. Tumbling and diving like a shooting star. Without the slightest fear nor hesitation at that. You definitely haven't lost your touch, Stella. And you've even gathered enough bright jelly to build a proper kitchen. Go for it. I'll be patiently waiting, slowly digesting myself. Lovely kitchen. You can see you're there. You can now use the kitchen's oven. It should be rather simple. Put any one ingredient in the oven and wait for it to be cooked. You can even try to these loose corn kernels I have hanging around in my pockets. I can't wait to see your cooking in glory again. You got this. Dear lady, cook recipes. No recipes, just cook. And fish, corn. I mean, she's a deer. They are vegetarian. Popcorn. I could eat anything. Just give me some food. Well, I won't die just yet. She manifested the food into cake. Good for her. Thanks, Stella. It's better than I thought it could be. But then again, you've always been a wonder in the kitchen. Don't forget, spirits don't run on sunshine and water. Yes, apparently they run on popcorn that can magically manifest itself into cake. We need a good meal once in a while. It will be up to you to understand who's fond of what. As for me, I'm sure you remember I've always loved comfort food. And that I would die for a cup of coffee. But I'm not that picky. I can eat anything. Just never the same thing twice. Oh, and before I forget, something I was supposed to give you. Not exactly how it works, but an obol is a symbol of passage. It's a fee each spirit has to pay you. But something tells me you knew that already. Did I? Okay, let's keep on improving on this craft. You must have seen your blueprint table. There's both a field and a garden blueprint, which means you can grow many different things and turn this ship into an adorable farm of sorts. It should be, you should add a field first, in my opinion. It's going to be easier to find resources for it around here, and you can grow linen in it, which in turn can be used to craft more things. In addition to building a field, we should go buy seeds to use it, but that will come later. I need you to visit an island close by. It's called Mostein Cove, and there's something on it we need. I'll tell you when we get there. Outstanding. Well, a new adventure we have begun, yes. Replacing a position that of a former god of all things. A child where we don't know anything of their past. And a dear person who is apparently our friend from our previous life. I do wonder how he died. I do wonder how they died. But something tells me those questions will be answered in due time. Unfortunately, that's all the time I have for now. Until the next installment, please stay tuned. But for now, goodbye.